How to create multiple watch lists in TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are in TradingView and wondering how to create multiple watch lists, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up the TradingView app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, from the watchlist panel, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top left corner. There you'll see this pop up where you need to click on Create New Watch List. In order to create a new watch list, you must be subscribed to TradingView Premium. Click on Try for Free option at the bottom, and on the next page, choose your plan you wanna subscribe to. You can choose between Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate plans. Just select the one according to your preference and then choose whether you'd like to make a monthly subscription or annual subscription. And tap on the Try 30 days for free option at the bottom. Now go ahead and authenticate your purchase, and after your purchase is successful, you'll be able to create multiple watch lists in TradingView. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.